Doing Charlie Winters here with a very quick video for Monday the 20th of January. Well, good day today. We had the football bet. All three selections were over 2.5 and over 3.5 goals. Not sure how much it made in the end, because in the end I ended up putting a bit extra on because originally I put a bit less on, but with returns from the horse racing, I kept adding a bit to the over 2.5 and over 3.5. So going back to the horse racing for Sunday, to be fair, at Fakenham, the first horse was gambled in. I say gambled. I think it was 22 to 1 down to 12s. Never picked its legs up when it came to jumping a hurdle. Actually stayed on for a fast finish in third place in the end, closing on the leader. Very odd running. It just attempted to stay on. The second horse never picked its legs up once. I think it came fourth, paying out first three, ran dreadfully, but in the end could have been a very nice day if that one had snuck a place, but it ran too bad to be true. Another one that didn't pick its legs up when it would jump in the hurdles. The next one won guard duty, I think at 7 to 1. Did exactly what I thought it would do, jumped a little bit better, brought it into contention and sprinted away towards the finish. Good ride. And finally, another good ride, but unfortunately couldn't quite hold on for the win, was, I forgot what it's called now. Is it Catherine's Wednesday or something like that? Nearly made all, 20 to 1, ran a very good race, even though it comes second. Hats off to the jockey because he rode an absolute cracker in my opinion. I think it was just fitness towards the end. Hadn't ran for about, I think it was 280 days, but fair play, very nice return. I'm not sure how much it made in total, but I think for the day it must have made 70 quid, I think, in both combined, at least, I think. But I think minimum, I'd say about 25 quid for the horse. Anyway, forget that. Let's get on to Monday selections. You can see all the selections. I've done that deliberately because it's going to have to be a quick video. 15 pence each way, look at 31. Zoo Run, I've left all the price on these. Zoo Run in the 5 o'clock at Wolverhampton. What I suggest is, I'm not going to explain. All I'm going to say is, I think the vast majority of these are well handicapped based on pretty much generally what they've done in the past. Some of them might be running very slightly back into form, or some may just be. Some of them are actually trained by the Lochnanes, who I'm a big fan of. So what I'd suggest is look at the horses that I've picked, see if you fancy them for yourself, or can see an angle where they can run well. Then I say back them yourself. I'm not going to elaborate, but Zoo Run in the 5 o'clock at Wolverhampton. Sparkling Bell, second run for Jamie Osborne, ran a decent race last time. 5:30 at Wolverhampton, 4 places instead of 3. That's for sure. 6 o'clock at Wolverhampton. So that's for sure. It looked like it was very highly rated to start off with as a 2-year-old. Running a very expensive race. I think it was at Navan for the same trainer as well. He took it to Ireland. I think it was gelded towards the back end of the year, and since then it's run 3 races this year where it's gradually getting better but still running shocking. I think what happened is if it's held up towards the back, which I think it needs to be, even though it's Wolverhampton, it's gradually, I think, regaining its fitness and confidence. The next selection is Go Steelers Go in the 7:30 at Wolverhampton, and finally Wakai Umi in the 8:30 at Wolverhampton. So I wish you the very best of luck. It's a 15 pence each way, look at 31, which comes to £9.30. So I wish you, like I said, I wish you the very best of luck. Charlie Winters, over and out. Cheers, mate.